Hey guys, time for pillar number 3. Today we're going to be talking about strategy. So when it comes to strategy, you have to have some sort of direction in your business. You're going to need to focus on one specific thing. So like, what is your schedule like? What is your routine? So for example, this is my routine. This is what I spend 180 minutes every day on at different times of the day. Now, I'm a get up early kind of person, okay? So I start my morning by 4 o'clock. But the reason for that is my mindset is right. I wake up with the anticipation of crushing another day in my business. And when I have any issues, I turn to my community. If I'm having a problem with my autoresponders or with my funnels or my ebook, I reach out. Say, hey guys, I need some help with this. And guess what? You're going to get help if you have that support system. And if you're good at building funnels or you're good with autoresponders, make sure you're helping the people in your community that aren't as good. Don't keep everything that you know inside. Help somebody. For one, it feels awesome to help somebody. And two, that person is going to thank you more than you could ever imagine. So be nice, be kind, be courteous. Don't be stingy with your info. Help your people. So if you go into your business with the right strategy, the right mindset, guys, your business can go far. But again, the main thing that you have to understand is mindset and your community and how you're going to approach this day and how you're going to implement those things to have your business be successful. I cannot stress that enough. What you learn, you have to implement. You have to work in your business. You have to have the right mindset, the right community, and have that strategy. So we're going to be going over part 4 real soon. Part 4 is all about mentorship. Hope you guys are getting value out of these lessons. And I want to say I am long-winded sometimes. So thank you guys for sticking with me on this. And I cannot wait to tell you all about pillar number 4.